Alright guys, like I told you earlier, we're going to make a low carb type of situation ice cream. I'm just going to tell you everything that we need so we can make this. I went and bought me like a little container. It looks like a little container that you use for your ice cream, like the box you'll buy at the store. So I just went and bought one of them. This says it actually holds 4.7 cups. I don't have no clue what that means, but almost 5 cups it holds. So this is really good. We're going to use that. And then you need a blender. So we're going to put everything in our blender, and I'm going to go and let y'all know what we need to make our own ice cream. Low carb ice cream. Instead of buying the $6-7 one at the store, you probably have the ingredients at home if you're low carb, or if you do keto. So you probably got the stuff at home. So let's get to it. You need cream cheese. You're going to use half of this. You need any type of sugar substitute that you like to use. I'm using pure stevia today. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of that. And I have some raspberries because we make a raspberry low carb ice cream. I have some heavy whipping cream, and I have some vanilla cream drops. So all we're going to need to do is actually use our blender. You're going to need 4 ounces of cream cheese. You want it room temperature, but if you can't get it room temperature, it will be alright. Drop that in there. You want about 2.5 cups of frozen berries. You need a couple drops of stevia. You need a 1/4 cup of whatever sugar that you're going to use as your substitute. And you need a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. Alright, so we're actually going to take this mixture and blend it up, and then when we come back, I'm going to show you what our ice cream looks like. So just put the lid on it, and we're going to go ahead and blend this up. Alright, so it has blended to the consistency that I wanted. Make sure you have a spatula like I do. And just scrape them sides down. And look how much ice cream we actually made. And it didn't really cost us that much, because if you on keto or low carb, you already have the fruits and stuff. I did not use that one banana that I had in here, because just a few seconds I tasted this raspberry ice cream. And yeah, it's sweet enough. So I don't need no more fruits. The 1.5 cups, almost 2 cups of berries did it. I like the color of it. It's really like a rich pinkish color. I'm the only person eating this, so I can double dip. I'm going to give it 1 or 2 more pulses, and then I'm going to take it and put it in my container right here, which I'm going to show y'all in a minute. Quit wasting your money on stuff you can make yourself. And if you want a couple chunks in there, be my guest. Let the chunks live their life. Alright, so make sure everything is mixed up, incorporated very well. And all you want to do is just pour it in your container. You want this to sit to 4 to 5 hours in the fridge. And then when you come back, it's going to serve up like ice cream. Make sure you have a spatula so you can get all of your stuff out here. And you can make any flavor you want. I use raspberries. You can use strawberries. You can use blueberries, blackberries. You can do a chocolate. You can just do a plain vanilla situation. Look at this, y'all. Oh, and this container only cost me $3. I got it at bargain The store is called Bargain. You can get it at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Home Good, Walmart, Target, all the good stores that everybody have. Because I'm not for sure if everybody has some bargains they live at. If your whole family is low carb, keto, they're going to love this. Look at it. Nice color. Fits in our container. Pop the container on here. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. After about 4 or 5 hours, I'm going to come back and show y'all what our ice cream looks like. Alright? Alright guys, so this is the final finale of our ice cream. Hopefully you can see it. It looks really, really good and delicious. Let me look at that. Our final finale of the ice cream. It looks really good and delicious. It has a raspberry flavor for real. Like if you like raspberry and it's your jam, you want to make this ice cream. It is keto friendly, low carb friendly. It only has 3 net carbs per half a cup, which I have right here, and it's very satisfying. So you want to try it, follow the recipe. Everything is going to be listed down below. It doesn't take that long, and it's set overnight. And before you scoop some out, just let it sit out for 2 or 3 minutes or get a little soft, and boom, you got delicious, good raspberry ice cream. You can always substitute the raspberries for blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, anything that you want to put in there, and hopefully y'all will enjoy like I will. Till next time.